Right, hello everybody. So for today's trade of the day, we're going to take a look at a trade that we called in last night's webinar actually. So this is Adrian Buthee speaking, the head trader here at Trendsignal, and we're streaming out of Cranfield University Technology Park, and we're going to be taking a look at this trade from last night, which was on the euro against the Japanese yen. Now this is a daily chart, this is the D1 Accelerator Strategy. The idea being is to be in and out of trades typically within 24 hours, looking at that burst of momentum, looking for a turning point. You see the line change from green to red here, turning down, turning back up again. On the close last night is when we're looking at a new upswing. Now this is a turn up that's been flagged by our system, hence the sniper on the chart here, in line with the weekly trend. This blue line, the daily chart direction, in line with the momentum of this market as well, and in line with an ascending chart pattern too. So there is a series of factors here that are pointing to a continuance of higher prices. Now, the default settings for managing this trade, as we called last night in the webinar, is we go with the aggressive stop, we go with our extended target, and we let it fly, and we let it go for, look at it in the morning, the next day, which is i.e. right now, and we'll see if it's doing what we expect it to do. If it's doing what we expect it to do, i.e. the momentum is continuing, then we'll look to leave it to hopefully extend through to hit that target which it's just done. Now, if it's flagging, if it's not doing what we want, if the momentum's gone, we will look to close those trades. So if you've got 5 minutes in the morning, lunchtime, to look to manage those trades, that's really best practice. But in this particular case, what we've had here is a really nice, clean trading opportunity that's hit target within 12 hours. Long buy trade from last night, around sort of 10 o'clock, we put that on, hitting that objective by 9 o'clock this morning for a really nice profit. And that's a profit of around 1.1% on that trade. And you know what? You do that every day, that's a 20% month, and that's a very, very attractive profit. And if you want to see more trades like this, you want to see more trades called like this, then check out our live webinars. Inevitably, you'll be able to get yourself booked in for a live event somewhere on this page. Thanks so much for listening.
Want to learn how to find profitable trades like this? Register for our free trading webinar and discover the strategies that turn you into a confident trader. Prefer a more hands-on approach? Schedule a one-to-one walkthrough with a senior trader. See our software in action and get those questions answered, and take control of your trading journey.